Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. I have baby fine hair, and today that's what we're doing. I just finished this up, and there is a trick that you need to know if you have baby fine hair. It's a weird trick, and you're gonna laugh, but it actually does work. And we are just gonna play around with hair today, and I want you to see how my hair goes from flat to fluffy. Okay, and we're gonna walk through it together. So let's go do it. All right, this is what you get when you blow dry my hair, okay? It's very flat. I have been letting these layers grow out for some time now. Um, just trying to get some more thickness to make it look thicker, you know what I'm saying? And, on the end, sometimes it's really, really very thin. But I want to show you how to get some fullness on the top of your head because I like fullness on the top of my head. And a long time ago when we were teenagers in the 80s, if you're my age, 61, you know that we permed our hair and we had big hair. We just did. And so I don't want it like that anymore, but I would love for it to have more fullness and to stay. Now, I saw this trick from somebody else here on YouTube, and I did try it, and it is silly and weird, but it actually works. So I'm going to put some rollers in the top of my head. Now see, got a lot of layers here. It has, these layers used to be way up here though. I mean, it has really grown out quite a bit. And so, and I'll put on my makeup and stuff after this. I'm trying to do this. I'm at home working today, and I think I have to go to work like in an hour now. I'll clock in and all that good stuff. But I wanted to do this while I had the chance. And so hang on. I want you to learn how to do this, especially if you have this kind of hair, okay? Okay, I just finished up putting on my beauty oil. Pull my hair back there. I love this beauty oil. It's Younique's beauty oil. And look at that. It just makes your skin just glow. Yes, I do. And I will probably maybe use this Airflow by Tymo. This is a wonderful product too. It's a flat iron, but it also has all those holes around it. You see that? So when you turn it on, it actually sounds like kind of like an airplane running, but the air flows around it and the heat's inside. So when you twist it, you can get really pretty curls, or you can straighten it out. Just it's absolutely wonderful product. I love it, and I've had it. Oh my gosh, I don't know how long I've had it, but I use it quite a bit. So let me finish rubbing some of this in because I did pull my hair back. Now, these, let me show you these first. These are what I've used forever. And these are Velcro rollers. They do have the metal in there. And so I will link something from Amazon. You can get these on Amazon, and you can get them as a set. Now, if you get them as a set, they're probably going to have big ones like this. They're going to have middle ones. They're going to be all different sizes. But sometimes you can find them just the big. We're not using very many of this. I'm going to use very few of these in my top of my head only. I'm not messing with all of this. I just want the fullness on the top is what I want. That's what I like. So let me take this out and let me show you what we do. And then the trick that I saw is just hilarious. I just love it. I had the best time doing the trick. Now, I have washed and dried my hair. It's clean. This is clean hair. So you really need to do this when you have clean hair. So keep that in mind. Take all of these little pieces here. And see how I'm doing it? And sometimes I like to kind of marry the two, kind of do like that, and so they get attached to each other. And then right here, where I have my flat spot back here in the back, we're going to put one there too. So let me find a big one here, like that. All right. Now, on the sides, sometimes, I am going to pull it up here on both sides. So see, I have this like that. And if I want to, I can go ahead and do this as well. I could pull this up and take it back. So let's do that. Why not? Let's play a little. You never know until you try something if it's going to work or not. There you go. Ta-da! My granddaughter used to say, "You look like an alligator." Yeah, I kind of sort of do, don't I? Man, it's taking me. Let me back up so you can actually see. Now I'm going to take. I have some more that are not as big. Now I could use these on the sides, or I could come back and I do have some bigger ones too that I can use. I think I will use these, okay, because they got metal in them too. They're just a different size. They're like more like a medium, and these would be the large ones. So take it and just pull it up like that. And then what you're going to do, we're going to have a hair dryer. That's the key to this. Okay. Why? Because there's metal in there. We're going to take the hair dryer. We're going to dry. It's already dry, but we're going to heat these up. And then we're going to do the fun trick, which I think you're going to get so tickled with. I did the first time. I thought I was crazy. Okay. Don't think I'm crazy, but it actually works. You'll be surprised when I come back and take it down just how crazy this trick works. Look. All right. Let me get my hair dryer and let's do this. Okay, here we go. I got my microphone on so you can hear me. This is my Airflow. This is also a Tymo product. My hubby loves this. This is his favorite hair dryer. Now, it has a lot of different settings on it. And it's off right now, but I'm going to turn it on. And what I'm going to do is we're going to heat these up with the hair dryer. So let's see what I can do here. I don't like mine to be on 3. I just put it on 2. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm not going to try to talk through this. Just heat it up, girl.
You know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went too far this time. Come a little closer. This.
Okay, don't waste any time. We are going to go do the trick. Okay, you're in my kitchen with me. Okay, this is what we're doing. This is my freezer. My freezer. We're going to stick our head in the freezer like this. I swear it works. You just hold your head in here for a few minutes. And if you want to, this is so crazy. If you want to, just kind of close the door a little bit. And what this does is it sets the rollers. See the rollers up there? So this is just crazy. I know it's crazy. Bear with me, okay? But you can see what I'm doing. I usually keep my head in here for maybe 4 minutes or something like that because I really want them to cool down. So I'm going to be back and we'll see what we get. Okay, are y'all ready to see what it's going to look like and how full it's going to be? I am. If I have to use this Airflow, I will. I can kind of straighten some of this out. I really don't think it needs it though, but if I do think it needs it, I will just kind of touch the ends of it only because the fullness I want up here. So let's see. Let me get my hairspray because Lord knows I got to have hairspray here in Alabama. So you're going to need a pick and you're going to need a comb. My lovely pick. I've had that thing 20 years. I tell you I have. Ooh. See what I'm saying? Okay, put these over here and let's see what we get. I just love this. You do have to let it cool. Let it cool all the way. And look at that. Girl. Oh, this is like amazing. I love this trick. All right, before I do, I think I am going to just use this just a tad. Turn it on. And then these little lights here will blink. And then I'll go ahead and just push the button. And you can hear it come on. And you can feel the air coming around it, okay? So it's got to warm up just a bit. It doesn't take long to do that. I keep looking at that. Look, it got a mohawk. I'm telling y'all, this works. That is so crazy. The first time I did it, I was like really shocked. Sorry, I just hit my microphone. So if you hear, I can't help it. Oh, I get kind of excited, you know, when something comes together and it works. I'm just kind of smoothing out the ends. That's it. That's all I'm going to do with that. I'm trying not to use as much heat on my hair, you know, as I used to. My hair needs a rest. It does. It needs a rest because I color it and all these things. So let's see what we can do with our fingers with it. I mean, can you believe fullness? That is just ridiculous. I love it. I hadn't even put any hairspray on it yet. Now, a lot of times if I blow it dry one way, then I'll come back and I will comb it the other direction. Why do I do that? Because it's going to give you more lift. Believe it or not, it does. It gives you more lift. So if I want to come back this way, I could. And see, I really need to get my bang. I really need to get these kind of trimmed. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ah, we got some fullness, girlfriend. All right, I'm going to spray it just real quick, just to kind of set it. And I'm trying this new hairspray. It's called Sebastian Shaper Plus. I've never used it before, and I just got it. It's brand new to me. Brand new to me. I found it in Ulta. All right, leave it. Don't touch it. Just sit here and think about something good, and then come back and touch it. Okay, so if you're like me and you suffer from flat hair, baby fine flat hair, this is going to be your best friend. I'm telling you, that little trick of putting your head in the freezer, I know it's ridiculous. It really does work. And you know what? I think you should give it a shot. Just try. You never know till you try something. And a lot of times with my hair, it never does the same thing twice. If you have baby fine hair, you know what I mean. It will do something one day, it won't do it the next, and you can get really aggravated with it. All right. So I'm just going to spray it just a little bit, not much. And the key is, if you don't like it, go in this direction. Guess what? Let the hairspray settle, and then all you got to do is comb it back the other direction. Okay. And see, I usually blow dry my hair this direction. And so sometimes it's better for me to comb it this way because I'll have more lift. And it's baby fine hair is hard to deal with. And if you have baby fine hair, you know exactly what I mean. It is. It's hard to deal with. It's never does the same thing twice, pretty much, unless you've got a really, really, you know, haircut that just it falls into place. I'm letting mine grow out so nothing ain't falling in place and now. And so I'm just going to kind of fluff this up. And look how fluffy it gets. I mean, seriously. It is so cute. I think I'm going to leave it this way today. I really think I like it that way. I don't think I want to comb it the other way. So let me put a little bit more of this because it's hot here in Alabama. You go outside, you'll know what I mean. Right now it's pretty nice because we've had a really nice April. Let me just say that. Typically here in Alabama, we will have already had tornadoes, rain, thunderstorms, this is the month for that. So what's the old adage? April showers bring May flowers. Well, we may not have any May flowers because we ain't had much showers this year. Oh, it makes it so easy to do my hair. Y'all try it. Come back and let me know what it did for you. Okay? I think this is so cool. I do. I think it's so cool. Now, this right here, this is my nemesis because it has nowhere to go. That's it. So in order for me to function throughout the day and without that kind of coming into my eyes, I spray it so it doesn't move. And one little trick I will tell you with baby fine hair, if you want more fullness, turn your head to the side and just spray it and hold it. Don't move your head, just stay like this. I know it's weird, but it works. You have baby fine hair, you know what I'm talking about. And see, it just gives it a little more fullness. So let's do this side. We did one, might as well do the other. Gotta match it. And just stay for a second. And you know your hair doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't. I just need fullness. That's it. I don't like it plastered to my head. I don't like to put a lot of hairspray that weighs it down too and makes it stick. See, this is touchable and I like that. So, tell me you're going to try it. I hope you do. I love it. I absolutely love it when I get done with it. And another thing is I will not wash my hair now until maybe Saturday, and between that time, I'll curl it. I'll do something different to it, pull it up one day. Maybe the last day I'll probably pull it up, but like tomorrow, I'll curl it. I can sleep in little sponge rollers and get up. I'm trying not to put as much heat on my hair. So, okay, girlfriends, y'all got to try this. You got to try it. I think you will love it. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only. If there's something you need me to touch on, please let me know what it is, because I would love to do something specifically for you. So see, I can use my flat iron right here and just kind of flatten that out. And that's what I'll do when I get off of here. And then I'll post some pictures so you can see the finished look. See you later.